Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start on level ground with brakes set and chocks in place. This keeps the machine stable while you work. Lower the boom slightly and retract the stabilizer so you can reach the pad easily. Once done, place a solid jack or support under the outrigger and block it. Make sure the load is off the pad. Remove any debris and inspect the mount bolts. You're now ready to loosen the fasteners and begin removing the old pad safely. With the pad supported, loosen the mounting bolts slowly and remove them while preventing the pad from falling. A second person or strap helps. Clean the mounting area thoroughly, scraping rust and old gasket material so the new pad will seat flat. Inspect the stabilizer plate and pins for wear. Replace any damaged parts. Position the new pad, align bolt holes and hand thread bolts to avoid cross-threading. Once aligned, torque bolts to OEM specs in a crisscross pattern to ensure even clamping. After torquing, slowly lower the machine so the stabilizer bears weight on the new pad and then remove jacks and supports. Retorque bolts once the pad is seated. Cycle the stabilizer through its full range while watching for hydraulic leaks, loose bolts, or odd movement. This confirms proper installation. If you see binding or a leak, stop, tighten bolts, check for debris or misalignment, and replace any damaged seals or bent components. One tip: if the pad shifts, recheck bolt torque and plate flatness before returning to work.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.